سورة التكاثر.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألهاكم التكاثر.
The mutual rivalry for piling up of worldly things diverts you.
حتى زرتم المقابر.
Until you visit the graves.
كلا سوف تعلمون.
Nay, you shall come to know.
ثم كلا سوف تعلمون.
Again, nay, you shall come to know.
كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين.
Nay, if you knew with a sure knowledge the end result of piling up.
لترون الجحيم.
Verily you shall see the blazing fire.
ثم لترونها عين اليقين.
And again you shall see it with certainty of sight.
ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم.
Then on that day you shall be asked about the delights you indulged in this world.